Welcome to No Mercy Quiz new video. We're gonna test your general knowledge in 60 questions. Are you ready to nail it? Let's find out. Question number 1. What is the square root of 625? The answer is 25. What organ in the human body produces insulin? The pancreas. What is the chemical symbol for gold? It's Au. Which is the longest river in the world? The Nile. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? It's 300,000 kilometers per second. What is the average human body temperature in Celsius? It's 37 Celsius. If 3x plus 5 equals 20, what is x? It's 5. What is the basic unit of life? A cell. What is the pH of pure water? Seven. What is the capital of Canada? It's Ottawa. Who formulated the laws of motion? It was Newton. What's the recommended amount of sleep for adults per night? Seven to 9 hours. What is the value of pi rounded to 3 decimal places? It's 3.142. What blood type is known as the universal donor? Zero negative. What gas is released during photosynthesis? It's oxygen. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? In the Himalayas. What is the unit of electric current? It is ampere. What is the main ingredient in bread? Fluor. How many degrees are there in the interior angles of a pentagon? There's 540. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? The cerebellum. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Hydrogen. Which continent has the most countries? It is Africa. Which material is best at conducting electricity? Copper. Which direction do you turn a screw to tighten it? You do it clockwise. What is the factorial of 5? It's 120. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Table salt is composed of which two elements? Sodium and chlorine. What is the largest desert in the world? The Sahara. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? (100°C). If a triangle has sides 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm, it is right-angled. What pigment makes plants green? The chlorophyll. What is the atomic number of oxygen? Eight. Which ocean is the deepest? The Pacific Ocean. What is measured in joules? Energy. Which appliance uses the most energy in a typical household? Air conditioner. What is the logarithm base 10 of 1000? Three. How many chromosomes does a human have? (46). Which type of bond involves the sharing of electrons? The covalent. Which country has the most volcanoes? Indonesia. What is the law that states energy cannot be created or destroyed? The law of conservation of energy. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Green. What is the next prime number after 47? (53). What part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? The iris. What is H2O2 commonly known as? Hydrogen peroxide. What is the smallest country in the world by area? The Vatican City. What happens when you cool a gas? It contracts. How often should you brush your teeth daily? At least twice. What is 30% of 250? (75). Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. What is the best method to stop bleeding from a small cut? Apply pressure. What is the sum of the first 10 natural numbers? (55). What gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. What's the name of the process that turns a liquid into a gas? Evaporation. Which line divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? The equator. Which type of lens is used in a magnifying glass? Convex. Where should raw meat be stored in a refrigerator? In the bottom shelf. Thank you for watching this video. Did you pass the test? Write down how many did you get right and don't forget to subscribe for more quiz. See you next time.